Hello and welcome to the launch of the ASUS Rise of Gamers ROG event. We are streaming live from Sydney, Australia, and we have some very special guests tuning in, and of course here live in person as well. Looking forward to taking you through the day. My name is Elfish Guy, aka Jordan Mays. I'll be your host for today, and I am here to level up your gaming and get you clued in on what products are going to be right for you. We'll be showcasing the Flow Z13, that's this bad boy right here that I'm using, the Zephyrus Duo 16 and the Strix G15, as well as much more.
Firstly, I would like to thank you for all the support you have been giving us through the years.
With so many products in the new lineup, we can truly say our lineup is complete for 2022, having certainly something for every need.
We've got a couple of gamers and a graphic designer standing by, and I'm so excited to introduce our first, which is Muzelk. He is a YouTuber and TikTok star, one of Australia's biggest YouTubers actually, as well as Overstrand, a Fortnite player for Team Power. He's a content creator as well. Welcome guys, and of course, it's time for me to start heading over to the gaming zone. What have been sort of your favorite features of the laptop?
Yeah, I mean, well, not so much in the last 2 years, but a lot of the time, travel a lot. So being able to actually have a computer that I can throw in a backpack, but also still play games and record on when I'm overseas or traveling, or even if I'm just chilling around at home is so great. And also the fact that you can have a 300 hertz refresh rate monitor on a laptop these days is kind of crazy.
Richard, let's have a chat. Let's get you in the conversation, man. It's fantastic to see you here. Obviously, you're someone that I've worked with over the last few years or so, but you're a content creator, streamer as well, and your day job as a graphic designer. Yep. You've had the opportunity to be checking out the Zephyrus Duo 16 over the last couple of weeks. How's that been for you?
Yeah, it's been really, really cool. I've never used a laptop with two screens before. It's awesome, and I can't wait to get into it.
Oh, my tree's not looking good.
Oh no! I need covering fire! Don't let me go!
We got sandwiched.
He asked for fifth.
We got fifth.
I will say you got fifth, so congratulations on that at least. But end of the day,
True congratulations.
the true congratulations. As we all know, there is one winner out of this, not two.
Well played.
Shake hands. Richard, have you finished the graphic? All right. Well, I think it's time for me to announce then that the MVP, the champion, of course, as we all know, it is Muzelk. All of these ROG laptops, or most of the 22 ROG laptops, are now available in stores, so make sure you go ahead and grab yours today. You can go and check out ROG Australia online if you want to see a little bit more, learn all about it. And Muzelk is just checking in and making sure that the graphic does indeed say Muzelk, which, as we know, it does. Thank you very much for joining us, though. We've had a pleasure. Hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good night.